Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a combo chart. So I have a small table here with a list of companies, their sales numbers and profit percentage. So we're going to create a combo chart with bar graphs showing the sales numbers and a line graph showing a profit percentage in a single graph. So let's see how we can accomplish that. So I'm going to select this table here, go to insert tab, click on this bar chart icon, click on more column charts, and all the way down here you have this combo option. And when you come here, sales in dollar billion is by default clustered column, which is what we want, and profit percentage is a line. We'll select line with the markers and move this profit percentage to secondary axis, and this is exactly what we want. So click OK and you have your combo chart ready. So just add data labels, both line and bar, move it above, change the font, and there you go. So this is what we want. We can further increase the size or rather the width of the bars, and your combo chart is ready. So this is how you create a combo chart. Thanks everyone for joining. We'll see you in the next video.